everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. We are now 3 months into quarantine from the global pandemic of the coronavirus.
For those of you living under a rock.
And I figured I would come on here and share my quarantine essentials with you guys. As always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below, and I also have some coupon codes for you guys to use that will be in the description box as well. And without further ado, let's get started. So for my quarantine essentials, I have 8 main things, and there are multiple products within each of the main ones, if that made any sense. For example, my first one is hand sanitizer, and I will be showing you multiple hand sanitizers that I've been using. So like I just mentioned, hand sanitizer has definitely been a big thing. Right here, I just have 3. This is my giant hand sanitizer that stays in my purse. This is by the brand Hello Bello. I think I've mentioned it here on my channel in my favorites last month, possibly, but it is just their fragrance-free gel hand sanitizer, and I actually found this at Walmart. It was the last one on the shelf, and you bet I ran to it and snatched it up. I really like these because it just has a simple flip cap, and then it does have a little spout. Another hand sanitizer that I have been loving is from Ofra. They are originally a cosmetics company, however, they did start making hand sanitizers, and I actually have a coupon code for you guys in the description box. If you use the coupon code OFRA20, you guys can receive 20% off your order. This is their spray hand sanitizer, and mine is in the scent Comfort. It smells like a combination of what your grandmother wears for perfume and flowers, and it smells really good. And this is the one that I keep in my car. It also has aloe vera in it to help moisturize your hands, which I will be getting to towards the end of the video, because with all the hand washing with hand sanitizer and soap and everything, your hands do tend to get dry, so having the added aloe definitely helps. I also absolutely love the Bath & Body Works pocket bags. Now, I'm one of those crazy people who has been collecting these for probably like 10 years, and I have about 1 million. So when hand sanitizer was absolutely nowhere to be found, I was good, because I literally had an entire bucket filled with just hand sanitizers. And let me tell you, I went through so many of them. I was probably going through 2 or 3 a week. I really like these ones because they do have really good scents, and you can also buy the holders to attach them to something like your purse or a bag or even your keys. And let me tell you, I absolutely fell in love with this scent. I believe it is a new scent, and it is in the scent Fresh Sea Spray. It smells like the beach mixed with like the smell of coconut. I am popping in here as a future me. You guys probably haven't noticed a single difference. However, I was just talking about my bag I've been using, and I realized that one of the other great hand sanitizers that I have been using is on it. This is just one of the Purell ones. I actually have a bunch of these, and I've had them since before the whole pandemic happened, and I like attaching these to bags. This is my allergy bag. I actually have a video where I go through it and show you guys everything. If you guys would like an updated one, definitely let me know, because since the pandemic occurred, the contents in my bag have definitely changed. Next up are disinfecting wipes, and I just have 2 packs. I have a pack of the Clorox ones and a pack of the Lysol ones. These are things that I purchased before the pandemic happened. I always go to Dollar Tree and pick these up. I really like that they are in little packs that you can take with you on the go. You can throw them in your purse, you can leave them in your car, and they're a lot more easy to transport than one of the huge containers. And as someone with food allergies, I am always wiping down my surfaces. And speaking of wiping down surfaces, I've heard a ton of people complain about having to be more thorough and wipe down their surfaces. However, for me, it wasn't hard to transition into, because I have already been doing it because of my food allergies, because you never know what someone has eaten there. And I do have a severe peanut allergy, tree nut allergy, and egg allergy, along with a bunch of other allergies. So this is something that I've been doing for years now. Next up are a key item, and that is face masks. I know we're all sick of wearing them. However, it's just something that we're probably gonna have to do for quite some time. When the pandemic first started, I was like, I'm gonna go on and order a Vogue mask now so that I can get one. And they, of course, were all sold out, and they were sold out for months. And I stalked them on Instagram and signed up for the updates, and finally they made an update saying that on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday they will be restocking all of their masks. And so I knew they were going to be restocked on a Monday, and I purposely set my alarm so I could get one, and let me tell you, I got one and they were sold out within 3 minutes. And I was even able to get the one I want, which is this one. It is the B print. I really like it, and it does have the one-way valve. And something that is neat about the Vogue masks is they aren't one size fits all. They actually have sizes, and I highly recommend doing your measurements. If you go on their website, it will show you how to take your actual face measurements. The size I went with was a medium plus. This is what the inside looks like. It says Vogue mask VMCVM plus, and this is just what it looked like on. Another mask I have really been enjoying are the ones that Target recently came out with. I just got the pink ones. If your store has them, you can get a packet that contains 2 masks for $4. This one is one that you can reuse and reuse and reuse, and you can even throw them in the washing machine. I went with a size small, medium, and they fit great. They also do have kid sizes. This is obviously just what it looks like on. Another item that has been key is an acne face wash, because as I'm sure all of you know, when you are wearing a mask all the time, you tend to have breakouts around your mouth and your chin because of the sweat buildup from wearing the mask and it being a closed, tight area. I actually used to use this when I was younger for my regular facial acne, and it is just the Oxy 10 acne medication acne cleanser. It is a maximum strength one, and it has 10% benzoyl peroxide. If you have stubborn acne, I cannot recommend products that have benzoyl peroxide enough. They work so much better than salicylic acid, and you can literally find it at the grocery store, Walmart, Target, and pretty much any drugstore. Vitamins have also been essential for me. When the pandemic first started, the chiropractor recommended that I start taking 2 vitamins just to help with immunity and overall health, and the first one he mentioned was vitamin D, which is something I've actually been taking for probably 5 years now, and on the bottle it says that the health benefits are immunity, bone, and wellness. I get mine at Sam's Club because this bottle right here comes with 400, and since I only take one a day, it means that it lasts me over a year. And the other vitamin he recommended taking was vitamin C. Thankfully, I got it at the beginning of the pandemic before everyone else bought all the vitamins and began hoarding them, and they are the gummy ones, and they taste like orange, and vitamin C is to help the immune system as well. And then back at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I would be talking about dry hands towards the end, which is where we are now, and let me tell you, I could not get through this pandemic without lotion because my hands are so dry. This is just the Johnson's Baby Creamy Oil, and it has aloe and vitamin E in it. I've been using this for years, and I actually talked about it in my summer life hacks video years ago, because fun fact, this actually works as a bug repellent, and my favorite part about it is it is not greasy. Let me say that again. It is not greasy. One thing I hate about lotions is they are greasy and oily, and they transfer onto things, and I cannot stand it, and they're slimy and gross. This one is not like that. And 2 other creams that I've mentioned here on my channel before are both specifically marketed as hand creams. The first one is the Shealogix Moisturizing Hand Cream, and this one is the Lavender Vanilla scent. I got this from Marshall's. I'm not sure if you can get this anywhere else. I've looked online and I haven't been able to find it. If you guys know of any place where you can get this, definitely let me know. And then the other hand cream I have been loving are the Bath & Body Works ones. They just come in these little tubes. This one is just the At the Beach one, and I think I got it last summer. These are great to throw in your purse, or they even fit in your pocket if you're wearing shorts or pants that have pockets. This next essential is a pretty random one, and you guys are probably wondering why it's even in this video, and the product is nail polish. I have been a nail biter since I was 4. That means for the past 21 years, I have not had nails and I've been biting them. And with this global pandemic, I knew that I had to stop biting my nails. Putting my fingers in my mouth was something I knew I needed to put an end to. And for the first time in 21 years, I actually have nails. And the only reason I have been able to break this habit is because there is a global pandemic and I do not want to get the coronavirus, and because I've been wearing nail polish. The first nail polish I've been using is this one. It is actually a nail hardener, because as someone who has been a nail biter for 21 years, my nails are super brittle and flimsy, so I decided that I needed a nail hardener, and this is just the one I went with. It is the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Hardener. It is just a clear coat you put on before your nail polish, and 2 of my absolute favorites are these ones. This one is a really great summer color, and it's overall just a super pretty color in my opinion. It is like a light baby blue, and it does have small flexes of glitter, and it is in the shade 459 Babe Blue, and it is one of the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear nail polishes. And another color I've been absolutely loving is from Pure Ice, and this is in the shade Goldilocks. It is like a rosy gold color, and I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. And I figured I would throw in and show you guys the top coat I use, which is just the Pure Ice High Shine top coat. And my last quarantine essential has been this backpack. This is the North Face Sprout backpack. It is a really tiny, cute backpack, and I've actually shown it in past videos. It is considered my allergy bag, so this is where I keep my EpiPens and Benadryl and first aid stuff and things I take with me on the go. And rather than using a purse lately, most of the time I just grab this and use this. And it may be a small bag. It's kind of hard to tell that it is small, but they hold a ton. And so with the pandemic, I've definitely been carrying a lot more things than normal, such as big bottles of hand sanitizer, masks, and stuff like that. And carrying everything in this has been super easy. If you guys would like to see an updated what is in my allergy bag, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Even though it is meant for like little toddlers to use as backpacks, it works perfectly as a shoulder bag with no issues for an adult. And I really don't care if people judge me for it, because to me, this has anything life-saving that I could possibly need. So those are my 8 main staple essentials that have been getting me through the global pandemic. 2020 has been a complete show, to say the least, and I'm crossing my fingers that 2021 is smooth sailing. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have quarantine essentials that I did not mention, be sure to leave them in the comments so I can see what they are and so others can see what they are as well. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!